we're going to download Visual Studio Code. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on the Download Mac Universal button. While the download is going, you can see on the left-hand side of the screen some links that go into more details on how to use Visual Studio Code. Once the download completes, we're going to click to open the download zip. Now that the application has been downloaded and unzipped, we need to move the application into the Applications folder. Now let's start Visual Studio Code. Because Visual Studio Code was downloaded from the internet, you're going to have to give it permission to be executed. Click on Open. And that is it.